I can use background size, which can be either contain, which will be something like this. Let me say no repeat so you can understand it better. So this is contain. So the element will contain the entire image in the background. If I say background size cover, the background image will cover the entire element, just like this. So these are the properties that we have for an element's background. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.